get dinner, and I decided because it is crowded to order ahead. So once Kristen's finished, I'll say that we're here, and we're about a 2-minute walk from it. Yum. Heading into Pandora. Going straight for Satuli though. Still beautiful. Alright, heading into Satuli. We didn't have to. The line isn't long, but we're waiting. I got the kids hot dog and it came with chips, grapes, and a drink. And I think it was like $6.79. And Kristen got
beef and chicken, or steak and chicken, because hopefully he'll eat chicken, and rice and creamy herb sauce.
My kid's hot dog was gigantic. It was like a full hot dog. It was like one of the fat ones in a full bread with chips, with grapes, and a drink for $6 and change. So you can't beat it. Like, I'm stuffed. And it was really good. I like hot dogs. Can't beat it. I like the price too. So, how was yours?
It was good. I got the chicken and steak this time because I thought he would eat the chicken and I would eat the steak, but he didn't eat anything. So I paid. It was an extra.
I was gonna say I didn't even know you could do that.
It's new. So I paid an extra $3 for a combo platter that I didn't essentially need or want. But in saying that, I really liked the beef last time, and because I tried the chicken this time, I actually prefer the chicken more now. So
You learned.
I'm glad I did. But it was good. It was, you know, and I also didn't mix it right off the bat, where last time I did, because he wouldn't eat any of the creamy herb sauce on it. So I felt like I just ate all the coleslaw in the beginning of it, and I didn't have it to disperse through. So definitely mix it before you eat it. That's what I did.
And Bradley ate nothing.
What else is now?
Our fast pass for Flight of Passage is in 20 minutes, and it's temporary closed. Let's see if we get on today. Flight of Passage is back up and running right on time for our fast pass, so we are heading in. Alright, we're heading in.
So Dad and I are going first. Kate wants to see Mom's reaction, so she's gonna go second with her. The ride was just down for a little bit, and because of that, there is a little bit of a line. We are waiting in line for fast pass. As you can see, hope we don't have to wait too long. It's 7:33 right now, so let's see. We're just coming up to the room where the fast pass can see through the standby line and see the avatar. And it is 7:53, so we've been waiting now 20 minutes. It's moving a little bit more now than it was when we first were waiting online. There was a good 2 minutes where we just didn't even move. So my recommendation is that if the ride goes down during your fast pass time and you have time to wait, I would wait a little bit and let the crowd go through and let them play catch up basically, and then you shouldn't have to wait. I don't know what it's like. I can't really see behind me all that much, but I'm guessing the line is probably where we left it, so definitely give it some time to the initial rush of everybody trying to get back on, if you can. We could have and we didn't. Alright, so we are waiting to go ride that final ramp, and it is 7:57, so I say by the time that we do get to go up that ramp, probably about a good 30 minutes on the fast pass line, which isn't bad when you compare it to the rest of the line, but it's a good thing to take note with. If you do have a fast pass somewhere, people think, I'm just going to get on the ride, I'm going to get off. And you kind of have to account for stuff like this, plus all the pre-shows. So we got online at 7:30, so I can't tell you exactly how long it took us from the moment we entered the line until we got off. But we are going in now, so hopefully Dad likes it.
do I like it.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
All right. Let's go.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready.
All right. So it took about an hour, from 45 minutes from start to finish. All right, Dad, what'd you think?
That was the greatest thing I ever saw. I thought soaring was the greatest thing, but this was incredible.
His face during it, he was like,
I was trying to make the sound that they go. Couldn't remember it though.
oh my goodness. I think it was even better this time. I really, really loved it.
You gotta look all around, not just straight ahead.
But if you get motion sickness, do not look all around because it'll make it a lot worse. I'm very prone to motion sickness, so I have to the only time I could look around is when the Banshee is stationary, and then I'm able to look around, but then once it starts moving in, I have to look straight ahead. So now it's Mom and Kate's turn, and Keelan's very excited to see Mom's reaction, so hopefully she loves it as much as Dad. Me and Mom's turn, and Dad's coming on again, because he loved it. So, let's go! Oh, we've never done it at night. It's so pretty. Look how nice. Ah! Time to go into the pre-show. Are you excited? I'm nervous. Don't be. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, I'm so excited. Pre-show. Just finished. Mom closed her eyes the whole time. She got nauseous. Dad?
Woo! Just as good as the first time.
I love everything about it. All the smells are so nice. My hair's like blowing in the wind. I feel like I'm there. I love it so much. Got some floating mountains. I think the area here looks better on camera than it does in person.
Yeah, I totally agree.
It's like duller here, like it's still pretty, but like on camera it's like wow, like right behind us. Like it's like lit up.
Yeah.
But in person it doesn't look that lit up. Still pretty obviously, but camera makes it even more beautiful. We are heading out of the park. We did a lot today. We did. For it being like super crowded, which it was, like I had fast passes, so, but we did a lot, and it's the 20th anniversary. We can say we were here. We were here. Saw Joe from afar.
Yeah.
Just screamed "Disco Yeti." So it was a good day.
You screamed "Fix the Yeti"?
Yeah. I didn't like actually scream it, but I just quickly said like "Fix the Yeti." So it was a good day.
Yeah. And as we were leaving, it's 9 o'clock, and Na'vi was a 30-minute wait, but I really don't think there was, I think it was much less than that.
Usually is. They always say a little bit more.
Flight of Passage was only a 90-minute wait.
So
Definitely
wait.
leave those till
Yeah.
the end.
If you're gonna do it.
And it's not like, I mean, I'm not saying it's, you know, 4th of July weekend. That's not gonna happen. But if you're here at like non-peak time, not that that's really a thing anymore, but
Not really.
yeah, but non-peak year time, and I recommend waiting until the end of the night.
So, heading out. And with that, I say good night, everyone.
Good night.